All right, good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's seeing a big shocker that's going on right now. Unfortunately, what's happened with FXCM, you guys can see what's happening. Unbelievable stock, $17 down to $1. I went in right now, probably one of the best day trades you're going to see in a while. I'm in for 10,000 shares right now. I jumped in. I own it. I just bought it. I was watching the thing come down. I'm in at $1.30 and $1.92. This is what we train for. This is what we do, ladies and gentlemen. So, 10,000 shares of stock right there is not a lot of money, but obviously this is what we call a big bottom fish right now. And obviously you know what the news is. Be very, very careful with this stock. But I know the guys there at FXCM. They're a big sponsor of Cyber Trading University. But apparently they got caught with this big short that's going on right now with the Swiss franc. Just to let you guys know, this is something unprecedented. You rarely probably have ever seen anything like this in a long time. Last time this ever happened, some of you probably remember. Does anybody remember the Bear Stearns trade? Anyone remember what happened to Bear Stearns? That was part of the big banking crisis. Yeah, okay. Some of you remember I traded that a long time ago. Made a lot of money with Bear Stearns. Bear Stearns went from $1 all the way up. Now they have a lot of employees that work there. I think they have over 500 employees. I know they have a lot of assets. I think it's a screaming buy right now. I don't know how it even dropped to $1. I mean, how these people come into it, but this is a great. Unfortunately, a major catastrophe is happening to be a major opportunity for a lot of you. So I'm long right now. What am I up right now? 2,700. I have no big deal. Okay. Listen, it's still a screaming buy. Let's see what happens. You can watch the high-frequency trades going out there. Once again, this is something unprecedented. This is what you do. I don't know, just because is my money in the account? Well, Doug, once again, there's a lot of I don't know how much money you have there, but I don't know. I mean, I can't answer that. What I can tell you is, why don't you start trading a little bit and making some money there, because there's an opportunity. Look at it, thing's bouncing. All right. So we got some really big things. I'm probably going to be on the phone with them all day today, find out what's going on. But once again, it's an opportunity to trade to make money, guys. That's the way we look at it. Okay. Now, any questions regarding what we're looking at right now, guys? Well, I'll find out about the promotion. Once again, the promotion was small. It was like $2,000, but your money should be safe. It's everything else that's there. Look at. Is it too late to enter? The stock's $17. It's down to $1. I mean, how much? I feel that somebody's going to probably come in and buy them out. Their assets. So I mean, it's definitely worth more than that. Yep, and that's also, I want to bring up a couple of those stocks. And we'll do some shopping, guys. So let's do some shopping really quick. And the big stock right now is, I can't believe I'm saying this, FXCM. Holy cow. All right, another big stock that's making some big moves also, just like what Brett just said, GCAP. Okay, there's another stock that took a big hit, Gain Capital, but they're a little bit more diversified. I know Gain Capital, you can put this one also on your watch list. This also bounced pretty nicely. The GCAP, put that on your list right there, guys. GCAP is also making a big move, so it's on the bounce. So the best thing to do is you could trade side by side with both stocks right there. All right, so I'm up to major resistance levels right here, so probably going to do a big day trade. Let me load up my default. We got 10,000 shares. Hold on. Just want to make sure you guys are keeping a close eye on this, because money's money, and I'll buy it back. Just want to do a quick day trade over here. $5,000 profit right there. Look, all the orders right there. See if those orders getting taken out. Okay, looks like it's going to probably break it. 78 is the resistance right there. Got to keep a close eye on these big orders. So anyway, really, you know what? Let me get out. I'm going to sell the 10,000. All right. I'm going to sell the 10,000, and what happened here? I'll take the $5,000 share. All right, I might buy it back. Let me see if it backs off. Might jump back in 65. Let's see if it backs off a little bit. Great day trade anyway. All right, we're going to keep a close eye on it, guys. But going down the list, there's a couple other stocks are making some big moves. I want to put on the watch list really quick. All right, so you got, I looked at that when I wasn't too crazy about it. The ATVA, the ATVI, another nice look moving stock, good trend right there. Cuba, obviously you all heard about the news about Cuba. Today I think is the official day where people are going to be able to travel over there. FCell is making a little bit of a move also, but the volume is too light. It's down a little bit. It is a Friday, so not that much going on. Looks like everything is on the currencies brokerage firms right here. FXCM down to $1.60. All right, so it was a good trade on the short on the long. Took the profit right there. And I think that's about it. Okay, I know oil's coming back a little bit. You got PBR. It's making a little bit of a move. Put PBR also on your list. PBR. Looking over here on some of the losers list, that's about it. FXCM plus 22 in 4 minutes. Well, good for you. Good for you. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a little bit shocked myself. All right, so I'm just going to keep a close eye on it. Probably going to day trade that thing all day, in and out of it. If I see anything, if I hear anything, I'll definitely will broadcast over the course of the day. We have a very big invested interest in FXCM. We never want to see this happen to anybody, but in your situation, guys, let's try to make some money on it. You know what I mean? Like I said, you're talking about a 70 cents. I haven't seen this happen since the last time I saw this happen was with Bear Stearns, like I told you. Brett, FXCM 75 cents-ish off 100. Brett, you could be trading blocks of 100,000 shares of this stock, right? I don't think you have an issue on that one. Have it 30 cents, no problem, Gabrielle. Well, listen, this is why you're here, guys. Now you're realizing why it's so important to be in the Cyber Group room. You don't get opportunities like this all the time. This comes like once every year, something like this. Like I said, I haven't seen a stock go from 17 down to $1 in a long time. All right, everybody. Now, this is going to become a level 3 stock. Don't underestimate these prices. But use your support resistance levels. Use what's happening over the intraday. You got to be careful that it doesn't break the buck price. You could notice. Notice how it never hit it never went below $1. We talk about that in class. So, all right, everybody, listen. I'm gonna call it a little bit earlier. I want to be focused on this trade. Let's work together like a team. Let's keep a close eye on it and see what's happening. Looks like a lot of orders are starting to come in. This thing is going to be really crazy at the open. Let's see how it opens up. Give it about a minute or two. There's a lot of pre-market activity going on right now, and then let's try to trade this. And like I said, this is what you train for, guys. So let's go out there and try to capitalize on this, okay? But once again, be careful of overnights. This is why you don't hold overnights. All right, everybody. All right, everyone. Listen. Good luck. Let's make some money today, and I'll see you later this afternoon. And if you made your money for the day, guys, see you on Monday. Because you know what? If you did what I did right now, why not, right? All right, everyone. Good luck today, and let's make some money. Happy trading. Nick, Fausto. Good, 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 good. Nick, I had a question to ask you. There's the house I bought. There's the lady behind me is getting taxed. She lives in North Hempstead. To her, where she's getting taxed, but she got the little piece of property, which is a cockeye piece that's going in my backyard, and she's willing to sell it to me. It's like yeah, well, and it will make my house a 3/4 of an acre instead of a sixth of an acre. Now, yeah, but my question is, because I'm planning on doing construction on my house, I wonder if I was able to subdivide it and build two new houses on that, live in one and sell the other. So my question to you is, if I was able to do that, what is a brand new house on that block, flat land, would go for? Well, I mean, what do you think you have to build there? And you know, what do you think you have to build there to make it, to make it desirable? And like, say right now it's a sixth of an acre flat, and if I bought that little piece, it'll be like 3/4 of an acre, so it'll be a third and a third. A little bit more than a third, actually. A little bit more. It's an irregular, big, pie shaped property. Pretty, Well, right now it's a sixth. If I take that little piece, it'll be, it would be a third. It would be, it'll be the 3/4. I might even be bigger than that. And they have to look at it. But my question, I mean, if I built like a 3,000 square foot house, I don't know if that's too small, colonial, and then plus you got a basement on top of that in that area. I mean, what's a house brand new? What would a house? Yeah, yeah. I mean, what if I knock my house down? I could build a street in the middle of us. You know, yeah, I could. Well, it's a private road. It's a private road, and I'll have to ask the town about it. So it's not like it's it's a private road, so you know what I mean. We're responsible for the road. If I don't think that the neighbors would have a problem that building, in that area, because again, it's going to raise the value with two brand new homes there, and I'm going to live in one of them. I sell the other, and I can own the house, and then basically for the profit you make, I can probably own my house for free. Because I got to probably put, I was, and who knows, probably gonna be more than that, but let's say the house is going to be $250,000, to build it, that I put into my house. I was talking to a friend of mine, a contractor. He says, on the average, probably costs you 150 a square foot. If you do it, but you probably do it high end, maybe 200. So if it costs you 400,000 to build a brand new house, I don't know, it would be able to get 2 million for it in that area. Yeah. All right, no problem. All right, let me know. Yeah, because I'm doing a survey right now on it. I don't know if I. Well, I have an old survey. If you want me to fax it over to you, I can send it to you. You can take a look at it. Yeah, it's an old survey. I could send it to you. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, I'll fax it. Yeah.
scam. Their company was just folded. It went bankrupt. Yeah, it's terrible. I feel terrible. Yeah.